Friends, let's learn how to create dependent drop-down list in Excel. Let's create drop-down one list. Go to data validation, and then click on list. In source, select the drop down one list and then click OK. So you got the drop down one list. So once you select countries, second drop down should appear the country's name, and similar way if you select companies, the second drop down should appear with company names. For that, we need to create naming convention. Select the range, go to name box, enter the name, countries, and click enter. Second, similar way you create for companies and enter. Create for technologies, enter. Applications, and then finally cars. Then let's create drop down 2. So for that, again data validation, select list. Now in source place, enter the formula is equal to indirect, open bracket, select the cell reference of drop down 1, bracket close, and click OK. So you will get list of the companies. So if you choose other applications, if you, for example, you will get application names over here. Thank you for watching this video.